Now that we're in section 2, we're going to get into input devices, so switches, sensors, those kinds of things. In this particular lesson, lesson 6, we're going to create a program that when the limit switch is held, a motor and LED light turn off. If the limit switch is not held, both the motor and the LED will continually run. Let's take a look. On the brain, we'll press play. You'll notice the light and the motor are running. Up here is our limit switch, so when we press that, hold that in, both shut off. When we release it, both the motor and the light return to on positions. Let's go ahead and get started with the code. First step, go to File and New Text Project. This time we'll choose Python. As with any code, we want to set up our devices first. So let's go to Devices, and we'll add a device. Let's start with a motor. For motor, I'm going to call it Motor 1, but I am going to rename it just to keep naming conventions the same. So Motor 1. I will also add a device. Go to 3-wire, choose LED. My particular LED that I'm going to use is in port H, so I'll rename this as well. And finally, let's put the limit switch in. So 3-wire, limit switch. My limit switch is in port C, and I'll click Done. My devices are all here, so I can slide this to the right and move forward. This one is going to happen in a loop, so I'm going to go to Control, and I'm going to drag the while loop over. For condition, I'm going to type in the word true. Next up, I'm going to want to use an if-else statement to make the code work. So, under Control, there's if-else. I'm going to go ahead and put that under by the word pass. Notice the conventions here too. We're tabbed in. That's what we need to have happen. So our switches are going to be under sensing. So limit switch is pressed. So if condition, limit switch C is pressed. And I'm going to get rid of the word condition and leave the colon. So what do I want to have happen? So this is going to be a motor and an LED, right? So I'll go to motion, and I want to choose motor stop. Put that here in front of pass. It is motor 1 stop. We're in good shape. Now for looks, that's where I'm going to find my LED. So I'm going to say LED off, right underneath motor 1. And now I'm going to have to delete some lines just to keep things indented and clean. So under else, now I'm going to turn things on. So I'm going to say motor 1 spin. And I'm also going to say LED H on. So let's go back to motion. Motor spin, right in front of the word pass. So there's motor 1 spin forward. That's perfect. Now for looks, which is where that LED is again, we'll just drag LED on over, and I can go ahead and delete the extra lines. So the code should look something like this. Let's download it, and then we'll play it to confirm our results.